Alright, so most of my projects aren't very fun or entertaining. This one falls into that category. The window was put in, but there's no trim. Here, let me grab you real quick. There's no trim, so as you can see all the foam and everything. I'm trying to clean it up, and can't decide if I'm going to put trim in there or kind of on a time deadline now. So all we do is get some painter's caulk, like so, and fill in your spaces. It'll take out most of the ugly spots. It'll provide a little bit of draft protection as well. Get your scraper and scrape up all the old stuff. Clear all that out. Let's get it as flat as I can here. The caulk will encapsulate all the foam and everything and make it a cleaner surface. And it'll look a heck of a lot better just for right now, and I can get on to other projects, and if I want to fill this later I definitely can, but for right now, as I said, this stuff will work just fine. Now, another problem is that there's a little space at the top of this window they didn't really insulate. It's quarter of an inch wide, but that's the way they make this stuff, which is quarter-inch foam. So we just take this, gently place it up inside of here. Some caulk on there, it'll stick. Basically all this is doing is taking up the space in there, and once the caulk goes in on top of it, it'll hold this stuff in, and you're not trying to fill up this quarter-inch space with 5 tubes of caulk. Is what the foam gets you. And I'm probably going to have to let this dry a little and touch it up, but it'll give you the idea of what this stuff will do. Get you down and show you how this looks. So now you can see it's a nice clean line, and you can just see in there, see the gap I filled with the foam, which will definitely need another bit of caulk, but yeah, there's another quick little project. Thanks for stopping by, guys.